Hello everyone, welcome to Crackers opinion video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded, and the last video I have done for how to create a company and how to create and copy the company code. I have explained. Now I will how to go with the assignments and further I'll take it. And during this session, please subscribe, like, and press the bell button. Go to SPRO. It's an enterprises. We are define the company code here in the financial accounting. So if you see here, I have defined the one company code earlier, that is 1820. Same thing I am going ahead with the next. Now this one is created. Now I'm going with the assignment. So this is an assignment here. Financial accounting. Assign a company code to company. Now here 1820. This is the blank. So I have created a 18 number. Just I'm creating here, and this is the how to assign the company code to company. I have explained in the last Excel sheet. What I have done is, this is a 1820 you consider. This is assigned to this company. So if you see in the after this, I'm going with the OY6 global company transaction. Here it is in a 1820. Double click, see here, and this is the company I have assigned here. It will automatically assign. If you assign here, so it will assign automatically. It will show you the assignment. Now further I am going with the new one. So that is define a credit control, define a business area, profit center, segments. Will go one by one. Now I'll go to define a credit control area. Define a credit control area. This credit control area is whenever you make a FSCM credit control, that time you need to be a credit segment that is called as a credit control area. Go ahead with the one credit control area. I'll create it new, or you can make a copy. Just you can make a copy here. So I'll take it 1822 or 1822. Take it credit control area. So update. This one is an update area, and this is a variant which is company code has been assigned, and this is an update. Risk category and credit limit, and refresh. You can, if it was all company codes, or it's an just hit enter now, and this is the, you can change the name to 18. Hit enter, save. Now you can save the credit control. How to create a credit control I have explained. Now then how to assign the credit control to. So here it is assign a company code. I hope I have it once. Okay, no, I'll go with this one. Just I'm going out because of I'm in global. With the assign a company code to controlling area. Now this is the name of my company code, and this is in the credit control area. Here it is in the credit control area. I'll change to 18 because of already I have used the copy, and same was copied, and now I am going to change the credit control area. This is the same here. So this is how to create a assign a company code, and how to assign a company code to company, and as a credit control area to company code, and how to create a credit controlling area I have shown you. Now same thing, I'm going to business area. If you want, you can use a business area, or if you want to credit define a segments. If segments, you can open the segments, one A, B, C, D. You can use any default also. That also okay. And define a profit center here. If you want, you can use a profit center. So here it is a create a profit centers. If you want, if you don't want. So here it is in a profit center. Master data it is get create here. Now I'm going with the created 1822 001, or else you can take it to 1 profit center here and hit enter. Now you can name is a plant number and see the plant one and long text, make it a long text here. And the responsible person, this is not an optional, is optional. Responsible person responsible, user responsible, that is optional. It is a demo. Now department, if you have a department, you can profit control group that is YBPH. And then if you have a segment, you can select the segment. If you don't know, then go ahead and the company code. So this is the company code. If you want to go profit center, this profit center belongs to all company code, or the other one if you don't want all, it is let's try to delete that. Has to be this select here. Here I want joint venture. What you can, otherwise no need to. Indicators, there is no indicators. Lock indicator, no need. Go to save here. First you can save. See the segment field is accounting unit and enter here. See profit center 182001 is saved, but it is in the inactive status. Make sure it has to be active. Okay, now I go with the here it is an active, or if you want you can see here this is the inactive status. Click here. Now I hit enter. Now it will go to. So if you see that already it has been done. So if I want, you can enter here. This has been, see, this is an active. So same thing now. I'm going with the assignment here. So here it is an assignment now. Assign profit center. We can assign the profit center here. See, same thing I have already assigned this one. So this one is already I have assigned to 1810. This is not required. Now I have assigned in the creation itself. Okay, I hope so. How to create a cost center, and this has been done now. So this has been created and here it is assigned to the company code. The same thing you can make it, and enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, and I'm going with directly in the posting because of the next how it will going to enter basic entries, and one by one we'll go with the configuration also. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like it, and press the bell button for the alert. Thank you.